All right, guys, gals, and morons. Heck yeah, what we got going on here? This is from them what you call early 1990s. You're like, where are you getting that great sound from, these nuts? Well, you got a bunch of stupid fuckers that paid a lot of money for this shit right here. Looks like a big old dildo. Harman Kardon, hell yeah. Got this shit right off of them Goodwills, man. Cheap as a motherfucker. I ain't even bullshitting. This shit was high dollar as hell back in the day. I thought about donating this to my buddy. Not to put in his asshole, but just to keep around his office and shit. You ever seen one of them subwoofers that comes with these damn things? Ah, hell, I'll show it to you. Yeah, man, right there, fucking subwoofer. Check that shit out. Looks like a damn... Y'all remember them Cyclone subs? Well, it's not that, but it doesn't work the same way, but it looks like one. Yeah, because the fucking that other thing have a flapper in it. But check that enclosure out. Air comes out of there. And the air comes out of here, and it puffs out of there too. I ain't bullshitting you like a crack pipe. Somebody see this and go, this is a dildo with a crack pipe and a sound system in it. I ain't bullshitting. I seen it. This has a... Oh, that's my buddy. I'll call him back. Let me send him a message. That's my buddy Jeff. But this has the soft touch controls, man, where you can really crank up on it. I mean, you just rub your hand over the motherfucker. You don't have to press it. This is $5 shit. I'll let you hear it. Oh, it sounds awesome. For my time to come, death means just life. Please let me die in solitude. And you got a bass knob right there. See that? Listen to that shit. Oh, let's turn that bass up. Oh, hell yeah. God damn, that sounds good, motherfucker. got any hot girl volunteers want to come over here and get vibrated and drilled, just let me know. I got one for each of you. Yeah, you can sit on that thing right here and use this at the same time and play your favorite songs. Right. Yeah, man. You can literally tell your girlfriend, both of them. You gotta have two. Hell yeah, like double mint gum, double mint fun. Y'all remember that commercial? Nah, probably most people probably don't. Old schoolers do. Hell yeah. Double your pleasure, double your fun. You got to choose that double mint gum. Yeah, made by the same company, Wrigley, that makes them wiggly. If you chew some of that Wrigley's and put it in that spearmint gum and chew it up and then play with your beaner with your tongue, oh God, I'll go, ooh, ooh. And then you can take these right here and say, I want one of y'all to use one of these a piece. Yep. And then you can sit on this thing right here like a cybian. Yeah, that was a cybian before they come out with them. Who would have known Home Cardin made such dirty items? This is a concept amp, guys. This is some good old gold goodness right here. Some fucking moron put this sumbitch on Goodwill. Can you believe that shit? Man, I got so much cool shit, you ain't even gonna, it's gonna break your heart. Now this has got a few little scratches and shit, but man, this is a 90s model amp. Hell yeah. From Korea. Well, you know, like everybody says everything's from Korea. This shit is from Korea. You can bet your fucking ass on that. Old school is from Korea. New school, not from Korea. It is not from Korea. No way, no, it's bullshit. Made in China. But it is a Korean company made in China. Yeah, you bet your ass on it. Just like John Deere, made in Mexico, but sold in America. Yeah, I mean, that's the way to do it. Like Dodge made in Mexico, but call American product. Right, bullshit. That's why I use Ford made in Kentucky, most of it. Look at there, made in Korea. Yeah, this is a kick-ass amp, man. This was I'm not gonna say the greatest shit made, but this is high up on the chart. This is some good stuff. There's nothing wrong with this amp. That's a damn good amp. Now I'm gonna have to test it and make sure it's good to go. But I'm gonna say, yeah, I say the motherfucker work. It's very heavy. I'll do a gut shot on it when I get to clean it up, but I'm gonna make sure it works first. I done gave her the smell test. It don't stink, no. And the fuse ain't blown, none of that shit. And from the looks of it, looks like whoever had it took pretty good care of this old baby. These are hard to find in good shape. Damn sure are. They were treated like old whores, just thrown around in the back of the seat. Yeah. Not even joking. But I'll do a video of it if it fires up and all that cool shit. I hope it does. If not, guess what? Gandalf. I will call Gandalf the Wizard. Gandalf the Wizard can fix anything. He is fucking amazing. He's put a lot of his tools up, which he's limited on what he can do now. He's got rid of that stuff and all that, but Todd is a very smart guy. Hell yeah, he's smart. Motherfuckers like Albert Einstein of car stereo equipment. Yeah, he's smart. He's a good dude too. See if you guys wasn't assholes to him back when he was doing videos, talking all that bullshit like you knew everything. He'd probably do your shit too. But no, you got on his channel back when he was doing videos. I can remember the shit too. I was like, why are these people giving this man a hard time? This motherfucker's cool as hell. And nice as shit, but I'm gonna tell you right now, he's just like me. He is a wolf in sheep's clothing. That is no shit. He thinks just like my ass. I ain't even bullshitting. He's like I'm gonna call him the high version of Nolan. Yeah, he's like me on weed. Yeah, back when I used to smoke weed, I'd be like Todd. I'd be like laid back, like, Guys, I'm gonna show this here. You know, he don't get wound up, but that motherfucker, hey, he's a straight up dude. Ain't no bullshit. He really is. And he's a good husband too. He takes care of his wife and shit. I've never, he doesn't talk about her nothing other than he said she had some health problems and she's a good woman and shit like that. But she's getting straightened out and everything, and they're planning on moving to Kansas. Yeah, he can't take it where he's at no more. No, he said they fed up. I heard her in the background the other night. Yeah, we're getting out of here. I was like, sounds like she's got her head on her shoulders too. She's ready to get the hell away from over there. Yeah, I can't blame them. It's kind of like they don't live in New York, but I guarantee you they won't move to New York. Fuck no, hell no. They won't move to California way either. No, that ain't happening. They ain't moving to Oregon, no, neither. No, they're smarter than that. They're gonna move over this way. Yeah, out this way, out where Dorothy used to live. Dorothy and Toto. I'll check this out, see what's going on, and later tonight I'm gonna reveal a badass amp that come from fucking Earthquake. And I can't believe it, man. I'm like, they had this sumbitch on the shelf. It's like somebody was cleaning out the closet down there at Earthquake and went, what the fuck? Who hid this in the damn toilet room? Somebody hid this amp, gonna steal this motherfucker in the toilet room, and we found it. But they didn't keep it, they sold it. It's fucker's new, man. It's brand new. I'm not even, but when I seen that son of a bitch, I cannot remember where I bought it. I cannot remember to save my ass. I've looked everywhere. I've looked at Macari, freaking Goodwill, Goodwill Finds, Goodwill Shop, Shop Goodwill, them eBays. I have looked everywhere and I cannot figure out where the fuck I bought that thing. I don't know. Maybe I had too much cough syrup that night or some shit. I don't know. I don't remember. There is one on Goodwill right now. And that's a good amp, guys. I looked at that amp. I don't know if it's going to be any count or not, but I looked at that amp. It's missing screws, which is typical shit. I got a lot of those screws and stuff. You know, the insert screws with the Allen's heads. I got that shit. So if somebody gets that amp or something and it works, I'm gonna bet you that amp works. These old fucking amps are solid, dude. Just listen to it. They're solid. You don't hear shit rattling around, and it's hard. I mean, it's a good heat sink. Look at that heat sink. That's a heavy ass amp too. That damn amp probably weighs good. I'm gonna say 13, 14 pounds. Every bit of it. You guys take care. Have a great night, man, or a great day. Stay tuned for later on when I get me a little bit of rest. I'm gonna turn up this dildo system again. This is cool though. It's Harman Kardon. Badass shit. This did cost a lot of money back in the day. And you won't believe how much air blows out of that damn tube right there. That's a port, man. Look, you see the port? It blows out like somebody's... I shouldn't even show this on TV. Somebody's going to try to make them a damn pipe, so they can play music and get high at the same time. That's what the fuck it looks like. It looks like a dildo. And a bong. But this thing sounds good. I mean, hell yeah, it sounds good. Them little bitty speakers. You believe that shit? Look at that. You guys take care. Have a great day. I'll be playing my next video with them things jamming. I'm going to start doing it from now on. I'll probably give this to my buddy, one of my buddies and shit. Let them have some cool shit. They probably never seen this stuff. I'm like, man, where you find that motherfucker? Bad as hell. But I'm going to put a sticker on that bitch, something like suck my wiener or some shit on it, so they have to put it on their desk and everybody has to watch it. You guys take care and have a great day. See you.